Hello, mate. So, welcome to back to Black Stag. In today, we have a little Tesla Model 3. Something a little bit different today. It looks like it's already got a white steering wheel, but it's a trick, it's just a cover. So, we are going to be removing the steering wheel and replacing it with quite a cool looking one. I'll get it out and unbox it in a few minutes and show you, but it's basically a square white leather steering wheel. So, we're going to be removing the airbag and then replacing, still using the original surround trim, and then putting the airbag back in the new one. So we'll get it in, we'll have a little play and show you the new steering wheel. Let's have a little look at the actual steering wheel, shall we? Tucked away in a little box. Tucked away in a little box it is, pal. So here we are. Pretty cool looking. Little sort of carbon fibre sides as well. Lovely little bit of stitching. To have very clean hands with this, don't you? I might go wash my hands. But yeah, we'll get on it. Get the old one stripped out, get the new one in.
Right, so we've got all our signs out and cornering off the Tesla, being an electric car. Ad's now inside the vehicle. What are we doing, pal?
So right, we're just powering the vehicle down. We have a power up on here, so if I hit this, it should douche. Oh, hold on. Douche. So that has wiped out all the power. We're still going to go and disconnect the auxiliary battery in the front, and then disconnect the main battery from underneath the rear seats. So yeah, we'll get that all done, and then we just know we're totally powered down. No one's going to die. Should be all good.
Hopefully we'll be all good. We've got all the proper tools. Ad's got all the proper tools.
So we've got proper
gloves.
We've got proper gloves, look.
All our tools down here to help us disconnect it all insulated so no one can get electrocuted. And we'll start getting all the bits out of the way. First is this battery, and this is the
first
battery.
So yeah, the auxiliary battery. So yeah, we'll whip that off. Going to do the washing up in a minute as well.
It's about time someone's done the washing up.
Yeah, that's it. So we'll just disconnect the negative on that one, that'll be absolutely fine. Right, so we've now just got, I'm going to take these off for a minute because I'm not touching anything electrical for the moment. So we've just got to remove the rear seat base, a couple of little bits to pull that up, and then we should have the main shut-off point under here.
Hand there, Ad.
I've just got it's just a wire on that end.
Bill's over the help.
Just a wire on that end to unplug, I think, Bill, on the seat.
There's
two wires, is there? To me.
There you go. Ad's got the seat base out.
Right, we'll put the gloves back on for this bit. So I believe we've got to come over to Bill's side. Right, so we've just got to remove this little bit of foam here, and then just disconnect this main one here. A bit hard with rubber gloves on, but you've got to have them for the whole safety side, haven't you, boss?
You know it, pal.
There we go, and we are fully disconnected from the main power.
Fantastic.
So there now shouldn't be any power at all on the whole vehicle. We're just going to leave that for about sort of half an hour just to fully power down and drain itself as such, and then we'll crack on, start with the steering wheel.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Right, Ad's now powered everything down. How we doing?
We're doing all right, mate. So just release the airbag. So we'll just disconnect that. But as I say, we're all good and all safe because we are all powered down. Just one cable or two cables disconnect on the bottom here. Which is easier said than done. Here we go. Oh, there's actually another cheaty one round the corner there. 3 to disconnect. There we go. One Tesla airbag.
Lovely.
Pop that down there so it's safe. Right, so what we got here? One big bolt in the middle to take the wheel off. Right, gonna find some tools. We'll get it off. Right, so I've undone all the electrical plugs and electrical connectors in there and taken the main centre bolt out, which is this here. So now we should be all ready to get that off. Oh, there we go.
Well done, pal.
So one wheel off one said Tesla.
Superb. I did see you'd lined it all up as well.
Yeah, I've lined it and marked it as well, so we know we're all good and we're going on straight. It's not just going to go around in circles when we go back on.
Well, hopefully we'll go around in circles.
That'd be annoying, wouldn't it? So now we've just got to basically swap all the inners and this main surround and these little buttons here all into the new wheel.
Fantastic.
And then fit it on.
Lovely job.
Then I'm going to go and sit in the office for that bit though.
Oh,
come and
very
feed
nice.
it cozy.
I'll come and join you.
Come and join me, mate. Right, so we are now ready to put the new wheel in. Look at it. It's a pretty bad boy, isn't it?
Nice.
Yeah. Obviously we've swapped all the centre gubbins over, all his switches and buttons. Not too bad to do, to be honest, but yeah, all good. But now we're ready to get it back on. So if you have a little look in here, you've got a little notch in here. A little notch at the top, a little notch at the bottom. We've got matching on the wheel, so you know you're getting exactly back on where it goes, and it's not going to be veering off to the left or nothing daft, you know?
Superb.
There we go, there it was, and he's exactly on his notches. Got a nice little sturdy hits on, and then we'll wind the nut back in.
Lovely.
I'm just going to put a little bit of Loctite on here and just replace that because it had Loctite to start with. So I shall just grab, in fact my assistant will go and grab that. Samuel, get the Loctite.
That's what I'll do.
It's alright, isn't it?
Sam the assistant. Assistant Sam.
Right, so we are all back in and bolted in now. We've done the centre locking nut up and torqued that up. So now we're on to the airbag. Putting the airbag back in. It's quite nice, these are all colour coded, which always helps. So yellow to yellow.
Superb, superb.
Push the little tab in. Green to green. Ashes to ashes.
Lovely. And getting that all in, I'll just quickly show you the gentleman's Tesla look. He's done a few bits to this. As you know, we do our Tesla and electric car styling here at Black Stag. But the gentleman has done these bits himself. We've got a nice front splitter, nice set of upgraded alloy wheels, some tinted bits as well. We've got side skirts, we've got a rear spoiler. We've got a few bits done to this. And their club, if you're a Tesla owner, the Tesla Motor Club. I think they've got Instagram and Facebook. Here's their little link. I did show it a little while ago, I think. So check them out online, particularly if you've got a Tesla. Hey, how we doing, Ad?
Hey, we're all done. Look.
Perfectly timed.
That looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
All on the car.
Yeah.
Nice.
Activate
smart,
launch mode, you know?
Launch mode, not lunch
Activate
mode.
launch mode. I'm now going for lunch. So obviously, yeah, we just got to power it all back up, connect the batteries back up, and we're all good. There's no sort of driving like that, like you would back in the day. You know,
Don't have to drive the other way round. Put your hand the other way round.
Yeah, that's it.
Sort of a bit race car, isn't it? Bit of a race race setup now. Nice, looks smart that.
That's cool.
There you go.
The steering wheel cover's not really going to fit back on now, though, is it? Oh, it still does. We're all right.
There you go.
Right, that brings us to the end of our short little video. Bit of a short one this one, but obviously just the steering wheel we've done on this one. But I think you'll find it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Yeah, I like it. You like it?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
Like and subscribe to the channel as always. Thanks for checking out our channel, and come back and check out more of our videos.